Hi, I'm Prav, Daikin's National Technical Manager. Today, I'll walk you through how to connect your Daikin Airbase to your phone. Let's get started. Daikin's Airbase puts your system's frequently used functions at your fingertips with an easy-to-use app. Up to 10 systems can be conveniently monitored and controlled on the app, anywhere, anytime. First, download the Daikin Airbase app from the App Store or Google Play. If you're using an iPhone, go to your phone settings and turn off the mobile data. Make sure the AP light on your Daikin LAN adapter is on. If not, press and hold the mode button on the adapter for about 3 seconds until the AP light stays on. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, find and select the Daikin AP and enter the key as the password. Don't worry if it says no internet connection, that's normal. Open the Daikin Airbase app, tap on Configure the wireless connection, choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your password and then tap Connect. Make sure the run light on your Daikin LAN adapter is on. Then check your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to your home network. Finally, return to the Daikin Airbase app and tap the On Continuously button. Once you're connected, you'll see your Daikin unit in the app. Just pick your AC unit to start controlling it. For more how-to videos, check out the Daikin Australia YouTube page.